Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how to download Crunchyroll in MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL webcatalog.io/en/app/Crunchyroll. Once you open this website, simply tap on Get Desktop App for Crunchyroll. Then you will be redirected to this page where you need to download the web catalog app. So once your web catalog app gets fully downloaded, you can download the Crunchyroll app through it. So now after the download process ends, open your web catalog app and continue in browser. Then you need to simply sign in into your catalog app. So for this, you can either choose a Google account or with an email or with an Apple ID. So after you have successfully chosen one method, you will get signed in into your web catalog account. Now in the search bar, simply type in Crunchyroll, and once you find the app, you need to simply press on it and press on the install option. So after you click on install, the Crunchyroll app will get successfully downloaded in your MacBook. Now all you need to do is simply tap open your Crunchyroll app, and this is how you download Crunchyroll on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.